What is good? So I am going to be talking about the sandal, meaning like sandalwood, incense sticks, and the brand name is Him. And I got into incense because my mom likes burning incense, and my grandpa does too. And I remember when I was a little girl going over his house, like he would burn incense all the time, like different kinds. And so it's just a family thing. Sometimes I tend to burn incense when I'm like cleaning up the house, or if I'm meditating or just relaxing, getting to go to sleep. Just one of those. Just, any of those. There are different incense and they happen to have like different beliefs in them, but it's only, if you really believe in it. But I mean, I don't know. I just feel like incense is just a cool thing, if that makes sense. Anyway, this is what it came in, and it's so cute. It got the elephants on there. I thought that was so neat. And this is what it looks like when I open the box of incense. So it comes in this paper. It's like a bag with all the incense. You can see like one like sticking out. So I just slid one up. And of course, you have the incense in like an incense holder. But I made a homemade one too, which is funny. But I got a real one now. But anyway, some of the benefits that I've learned, from using sandalwood incense is that it relieves anxiety. So my past experiences, I have used it around me when I kind of feel like it coming on, and it has helped me like relax, especially when I'm meditating. I don't like necessarily like go over and just smell it. Like it just being around me in the aroma, it has helped me. And you're pretty much getting like the same benefits from it because it's actually from the same tree. So you're not missing it just because it's an incense stick. It's also from the same tree, and it contains the same healing chemicals as well. So for one, relieves anxiety, stress, boom, knocked out, lowering the levels of that, and improves sleep quality. And that's why I was saying I have went to sleep using this before. Definitely like just kind of quiet my thoughts and just set off the night with something positive. And I'll sometimes light this up and I will listen to my Buddha LED night fountain, water fountain, and it's so relaxing. I really like this a lot. The smell of it's just been known for like a relaxing odor, so that's most likely why. Lowers blood pressure. Yeah, that's crazy. The relaxing aroma can actually lower the blood pressure. You ain't gonna be able to solve it on its own, but it helps, especially like if you're healthy eating, on the right track, being active, and then doing this, then boom, I can see that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm surprised by this too. Healed wounds. It's a surprising benefit of sandalwood incense. You kidding me? What? Okay, and it acts as a natural air freshener, which, like I said before, I use this when I clean. I just want a fresh smell around the house, or using meditating and stuff like that. But I don't know. I don't inhale like that, or I go over and smell it and just sit there and inhale. Like I'm actually doing stuff. So if you were about the soap and all that, and I know Him has another incense that I like using that's called Good Health. I like this one. It smells really good. Well, my opinion, it does. And all I do is I got an incense holder right here. So what I do, I just put the incense in here. I hope it stays because it's on a flat surface. It's gonna stay. Yeah. Okay, and I just light the incense up, and it's on its way. I know I've came across incense that's like longer than this, and it take I probably let it last to about right here. But it doesn't necessarily burn quickly. I really don't remember how many sticks it was. Yeah, I don't really remember how many sticks it was in there, but it was a good amount of sticks. And I know they got other incense as well, but that's not the only health benefits from using sandalwood. Let me go ahead and do a quick look up to see how many incense sticks there is. Alright, so I looked it up. It was 20 sticks? It didn't seem that way, or maybe it was a 5. But yeah, go ahead and copy some of these sandalwood incense sticks by him.